What it is, YouTube, man, it's your boy Zo, man. Welcome to the channel, ZOtvDOTtv. And today we are going to be installing these, louvers onto this Challenger today. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight to the video. Alright, you guys, so right here, the louvers come with double-sided tape. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. You put the double-sided tape along your edges here, and then we just place it up to the car. Let's go ahead and get this in. Guys, now that we have the louvers prepped, ready to go, you want to make sure that your window, your surface that you're placing it on is clean, free of debris, so that double-sided tape, 3M tape, or what you have is it'll be able to stick to it. Make sure there's no dust, no dirt, no grime, any of that. So then you just remove your tape out of here. Okay. Line that up and then apply. Pressure here, pressure there. All the way around. Alright, so there you guys have it. Real simple. Alright, you guys, so there you go. The louvers have been installed. I ain't gonna lie, bro, I like that. Yeah. It's something different. Giving that I Am Batman feel, ain't it?